Ayan, good morning everyone! Medyo energetic yata ako today. Napaaga ng tulog. Ayan, we're back in YouTube and as I did promise you na sabay ang live with YouTube tsaka Facebook. Kaso nga lang, feasibility-wise, hindi kaya. Ang mahal na service talaga para sabay mag-live. So, I'll just stick to the usual lang muna. What do you call this? YouTube na lang ako and then I'll share the link to Facebook na lang. Kasi malaki rin ang audience naman kasi sa Facebook. Sayang naman if hindi ako maka-live noon. But, yun, ang mahal na service right? $20 a month yung para sabay mo mapag-live ang YouTube tsaka Facebook. So, I just decided na mag-YouTube na lang ako. At least dito may ads, may kinikita naman tayo in return. At least makatulong sa program natin everyday. Ayan, Robertas, good morning. Financial Freedom 101. Lakas ng lindol kahapon. Oo nga pala. Lindol kahapon. I saw the buildings shake, yung mga shinare ng mga tao. I hope all of you are safe. Praying for the victims of the earthquake and hopefully okay naman. Right. So at least man wala namang gaanong damage talaga. So that's the good part and most of us are okay. And be safe everyone. Dave Guapodadis, annyeonghaseyo Sir Lloyd and Laika, to my wife Bunso Dekdek, always watching. God bless po Sir, more power. Thank you so much. Joel Galas, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning din Joel. Leonil Kasing Sok. Yan si Sok. Nagsusupport na si Sok Uy, si Web kahapon bumitek. We were talking about that. So good job kay Webs guys. So mga pumasok kay Web noon. Let me write down your requests. Tingnan na, kamustahin natin sila. Sok, LSC, si Web, Joel Lilo, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning din. Jing Martinez, good morning. So nga pala, these are my recommendations for today. Nagdadalawang isip ako sa LR. May pinapalabas na magandang news kay LR. So I think LR should be good. We'll talk about that in a while. Lagay ko muna dito si LR. Then, sa list ko. Right, kamustahin natin. May nabasa ko news kanina, ang ganda ng project nila sa Cagayan that might help the stock go up. Ang laki ng project nila sa Cagayan. Asan na ako? Joel, Lilo, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Then Jing Martinez, good morning. Ben Moneda. Okay ba ang audio ko? Let me just double check my audio guys. Okay, medyo maingay ito. One moment please. Jing Martinez. Ayun, very good. Ben Moneda, hello po sir, good morning. And says for IDC. Si IDC, let's check it out. MPI and Meg. Hey, kamustahin natin si MPI? Kasi kahapon si MPI nirecommend ko So, and MPI... Alright, let me share my screen. Ayan, si MPI nasa support pa. Ayan, nag-bounce sa support yesterday. Opened high, 4.52. Went down. And then at 4.43, nag-bounce naman kaagad. So, the support is still maintaining. So, I'd still say it's a buy. Yesterday, ko to recommend. And buy as the support is holding strong. So, that's still okay to buy. Pwede pa rin pasukin yan. For MPI. Pwede nyo nang simulan mag bodega dyan. This is a very solid support. Let me just pull this out. Let me just remove this. And volume. Let me remove volume really quick. Ayun. This is a very strong bottom. If you notice, 1, 2, 3, actually 4. This is the 5th time it reached that bottom. So this is a very solid base right here. Very solid support. If ever this fails, MPI is already very cheap for a very good company. I will recommend just keep buying more while you're here. Magbodega na kayo while we're given that chance. So, pwede nang posisyonan yan. Right? Rochelle Vlog, good morning po sir. Eman, good morning sa lahat. Insights po kay CHIB and ATN. ATN is for long term. Just keep buying the dips. Ang ganda pa rin. Protektado yan ng mga institutions. Kaya hindi bumabagsak yan. Maraming nakabodega dyan kay ATN. Adel Balaa, good morning Sir Lloyd and family. Keep safe. And hindi pa kasi pumapasok yung volume ng PSEi. We're still maintaining at 7,800. So, ayun, mabagal pa rin. No, nga pala guys, so mga nito na, please share the video. Kindly share po. A little request on my end. Please share the video on your screen, no, not screen, sa Facebook po ninyo, sa Facebook walls ninyo, para at least mga friends ninyo, mas-spark naman yung curiosity nila when it comes to investing. And to your trading groups, para ang mga newbies doon, malaman nila na there's a program like this para may matakbuhan sila for their stock market journey. Ayan po. Ayun, Argil Mendoza, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika, ISM. Uy, si ISM, tatlong green na si ISM. So, it's still bullish, right? Very bullish signals for ISM. I'd say yes, it's still a buy for ISM. Napakamura niya pa rin. Recommendation natin dyan kay ISM, just keep buying the dips. Tsaka si Udena, bibilhin na naman si Wendy's. Ang daming binibili ni Dennis, uy. Ay, hindi ko alam saan galing yung pera niya. Si SM right? Kasi yung partnership nila ni SM, pinapautang siya ni SM, so he has access to money. So, yun. I hope kaya naman yun din na holdings ang ganito. Buti hindi natuloy yung PXP nila. Right? Kasi ang dami ng projects nila coming So, hopefully, masustain naman. Maria Cristina Jean Salazar, good morning Sir Lloyd, buy signal ba kay JFC? Alright, tingnan natin si JFC. I think kakabounce na kasi ni JFC. I can't say it's a buy signal already. Let me share my screen. JFC. Oops, teka lang. JFC, ayan, strong bounce yesterday. Kaso nga lang nag-down ulit, right? So, still, it's a negative sign. May good bounce na yesterday pero hindi nag-sustain. Ganda naman ng earnings in JFC. So, this is the dip we're waiting for, right? Just waiting for a solid bounce kay JFC. I'd say buy more on that bounce. Nag-aabang kasi ako ng buy more levels kay JFC. So, yeah, 300, around 300. Marami nakapila dito for sure. Let me see the watcher. No. Transactions. Ayan, bid and ask. 303.20. Ayan, nasa 303.0. Uy, malaki nakapila. 15K stocks. So, this is big, right? So, yeah, I think Jollibee is okay na. Sa mga gustong pumasok kay Jollibee, what you wanna do is just buy some here and hopefully it goes up, right? Pag nag-uptrend na yan, remember, the trend is your friend. Right? Isa to sa mga tinuturo ko sa inyo sa seminar. Right? Speaking of the seminar, join the seminar if you're still a newbie. It will be a very good investment for you. Kaysa naman matalo. Right? What you do is you buy here, and then if it makes an uptrend, that's when you buy more. The trend is your friend, guys. Right? Libre ko na ituturo sa inyo yan. The trend is your friend. Huwag nyo pong lalagyan ng malaking pera kaagad dito sa baba. Because this is not your friend. Downtrend pa ito. Right? This is still going down. So, pag hindi nyo pa kaibigan ang trend, huwag nyo po munang lalagyan ng malaking pera. Mamaya na kayo mag-commit pag uptrend na yan. So, you just start stacking up as of the moment. And hopefully, mag-uptrend siya. And then, once it goes on an uptrend, that's where you go aggressive. Right now, hindi pa. Right, so Ranulfo first. Speaking of the seminar, I have a seminar this Saturday and Sunday. If you want to learn how to trade, I'm gonna teach you the system that I'm using in my trading. Send me a message so I can give you the details. And this is the system that I've been using in PSE and the international market. Speaking of the international market, congratulations sa mga nag-copy trade sa akin. Yung kumokopya sa akin. We are already earning so far for April. Let's check my performance for April. Hopefully meron na. Ayan, 1.73%. Mukhang malabo na makuha ko yung 3%. But still, that's not bad, di ba? For the month. Around 2% for this month. Alright, medyo mabagal yung mga napasukan ko. Ayaw gumalaw. Tsaka may talo tayo this month. So that's why nag-negative 1.73 nung pumasok to kay 888. But still, it's a very good what do you call this? Record track for us. So if ever hindi kayo marunong mag-trade, you're looking for a good investment trend to diversify. Hindi naman kayo magaling mag-trade or wala talaga kayong oras mag-trade. Yun. Kasi ako ganyan ako dati. Marunong ako mag-trade pero wala akong oras. So if you're that kind of person, diversify to eToro. Please create an eToro account using my link. andyan po yung link sa video description. Please use my link because eToro is helping us so much. It will help me so much if you use my link, right? Para ma-sustain po natin yung program. Yan po. Please use my link when you create an eToro account and then copy trade me. Ako na po magte-trade po para sa inyo. Right? So whatever I gain in the future, you will gain also as copy trading. Marami-rami na po nagka-copy trade sa atin. We have yung pera na under sa akin is 244,000. Hindi ko po pera yan. That's the amount of sa mga nag-copy trade. Right? So we have $244,000 under us. Hindi ko na kinonvert yan. But it's a big money. So I'm just trading my port pero kasama po yan yung pera na yan. So these are the number of people who has been trusting us. So thank you so much po for the trust. Copy trade po. Diversify to that. This is a good way to earn passively. Right. So going back, yun, si Ranulfo versus Maing Buntag, Coach Lloyd, and Laika. Si PHA, murag daghan nagbantay kahapon. Yes, actually, si PHA is in one of my picks for today. Number 1 si PHA actually. PHA, VLL, good spike din yesterday for VLL. I think may hihinog na ito anytime soon. Double Dragon and 7 din. Maganda ang spike. And I'm looking at LR also for today. Those are my recommendations for today. Excuse me. Ayan po, Estella, ayun, meron pala si GB. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning to Miss Apple and to your Princess Laika. May I know your insights po about CPG? CPG so far so good. Ang ganda pa rin ng mga projects ni CPG. Laki ng pera na hawak. No, hindi CPG yun. Maganda pa rin ang projects naman ni CPG. IRC and B-Core. IRC and B-Core, let me write these down. CPG, IRC. Let's look at the technicals of CPG, IRC, and B-Core. Estella Petronio, good morning, Sir Lloyd. How about FNI and PIP? They're still volatile. Si PIP, very volatile for now, so I can't really say where it's going. But let's see. Amil Angelo, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and good morning, everyone. Ralph JVR, somehow your message got retracted. And Edward Arcoy, morning, Sir PHA, please. Yes, PHA, is number 1 pick natin ngayon. Daanan natin yan. Paul Ontayaw, morning, Sir Lloyd. WPI, si Food. Yan, kahapon nag-post ako about that. Ingat kay Food and bumagsak nga si Food. So, anyways, guys, yung news naman, hindi nadali lang yung pangalan ni Food, pero hindi na po sila kasama doon actually. So, Food has been performing on its own. Yan po. So, I'm expecting Food to bounce anytime soon. So, yeah, you can check out the bounce kay Food. Pero right now, it's very volatile. I don't want you two guys to be aggressive in this market. So, okay, ingat lang. WPI, Food, EI, CPG. Dahil na natin. CEI, nasa MA20 yan. Nagsustain naman yung MA20. Kaso nga lang, nasa taas na. I don't want to recommend that anymore. Good morning, sir. PLC. This is from Ralph. JVR, yun. Nag-show up na yung ano mo. Yung comment mo. Yan, si CPG na sulat na yan. PLC and Fin. Right. Bullen Bear, good day. Kaikers63 AC po. Ayala Corp. Yeah, Ayala Corp. Definitely also good. Right. Daniel ng Chio. Sir, GT Cap po. Right. Tingnan natin si GT Cap kasi ang laki ng nagtapos na yung trend ng GT Cap. So, let's see if pwede na ba saluin. Edward Zabala, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Question po, may limit po ba yung mag-copy sa inyo sa eToro? Wala pong limit yan. Wala pong limit. I have a student, hindi ko student. May nag-comment sa akin dati sa gains ko na napakaliit lang in dollars, diba? He posted that he earned 1,600 sa pag-copy trade. So, meaning napakalaki ng pera linagay niya. So, wala pong limit. How much you want to put in to copy me, it's up to you. Right. Jehian Peñaloga, good morning, Sir Lloyd. MB, Gio, Metrobank, Ali. Thanks. Sulat natin to. Si Ali, guys, medyo mahal na. So, really hard to tell. Gil Albero, good morning. Laika, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. Ayun, so, natapos ko lahat ng comments. We only have 162 viewers today. That's good. Anyways, yun. Let's go to my, since konti lang naman tayo, let's go to my recommendations for today. Again, here are my recommendations for today. Officially, PHA, VLL, DD, and 7. Right. So we want to thank our sponsors first. 2Trade Asia. Check out 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. If you're looking for a good broker at reliable, wala po kayo naririnig na reklamo dyan. Kasi mabilis. Support is always there as long as may opisina naman. And very fast. And then, most importantly, may mobile app para po kahit wala po kayo sa computer ninyo, pwede kayo magbenta kung kailangan nyo magbenta. So, you can use their mobile app. That's very useful for trading. Right? I use that a lot. Right? Kahit kung nasa labas ako. Right. So, good morning, Kaloy62. Also, eToro. Check out eToro. Create an account using my eToro link. It's down at the video description. Please use that link because that is gonna help us a lot. Right? Ano ba? Yun. Let's go to my picks. Number 1 pick ko today si PHA. Ayan. So PHA, nag-spike siya kahapon but returned down to its support and then nag-bounce na naman. So we're at 1.02. I think it's already good. Volume starting to pick up. So this is a good support you can test for PHA. I think okay na siya. Price action wise, look at the bottoms. 1, 2, 3. You notice that the buying is already starting at a higher level. Right? So, mas mataas na yung buying niya. So, bullish na ang mga tao pag ganito. Right? You're not seeing lower lows anymore. What we're seeing is higher lows. And ito yung sinasabi natin kahapon na downtrend and a break niya na. Oh, ang gulo na ng chart. Ang dami ng linya. Right? So, erase ko lang to para makita nyo po. Yung downtrend, that's the downtrend and then nag-breakout na siya sa downtrend niya. We have a good support. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay PHA sa baba. We did recommend to buy it while it's going down. And then, here it is. It's already bullish. So, yeah, it's time to buy PHA. Number 1 siya sa pick ko ngayon. Number 2 is VLL. Full screen ko lang para mas malaki. So, si VLL, after the consolidation, very constricted Bollinger Band. After this, and we're bullish already. We spiked the upper Bollinger Bands already. So, I think this is good already. Overall risk, if you want to check out your risk, that's why I'm recommending this. Yung support niya is around, the support right now is right here. So, 1.78 major support is around 2.44%. So, very low risk for this position, si VLL. Malapit na mahinog to, guys. Pwede nyo nang posisyonan yan ulit, right, si VLL. Buy as long as that support holds. Next is DD. I recommend the double dragon. I was thinking it will break out and nag-breakout nga and nag-sustain yung breakout, guys. So, it's time to enter the dragon. Right, breakout sustained. This is a cup and saucer pattern. Here is the cup. Here's the handle. Cup and handle pala. Cup and saucer tuloy. Anyways, yan. Breakout na siya. So, use that line as your support, 24.41. So, around those level, that's the best buy area. So, DD, strong returns. Ganda ng returns niya this year. Annual returns, 193%. So, that's good, right? We have volume. We have good volume, actually. So, yan. Pwede nyo pong study yung returns niya. But yes, maganda po yung returns ni DD. You can dissect it if you want to. 7-11. Guys, 7-11, after the strong earnings, nag-pick up na siya. Swerte natin, annual earnings, 16.62%. So, swerte natin because nasa support pa siya. This is a rounded bottom. And then, look at the volume on the spike, right? There is volume on this pickup. So, nasa support pa, sayang. Right? Ang ganda na earnings. This is a good bottom for 7. Yan, andyan na yung volume, guys. So, time to get in. Right, so those are my picks for today. I'm looking at LR also kasi may pinapalabas sila. May hinahype sila na news kay LR for Cagayan na project. It's a very good project and we're sitting at MA20 for LR. So, yeah, I think this is good for LR naman. You can test out the support. Pero, wag mo na. Tingnan ko lang muna. Very volatile ngayon si LR. I think mag-stabilize pa to. So, I'm not recommending that yet. Jacqueline, good morning, sir. OFW here in Taiwan. It's nice to see you doing live videos about stock market. Marami po kaming natutunan. God bless. Thank you so much, Jacqueline. You're welcome. PLC and ATN po. Right, from Giovan. Bull and Bear. Hey, antok ka pa, coach. Antok lang mata niyan, pero I'm very lively right now. I'm very excited. I'm working on a very big project. So, ayun, very hyped right now. Amil, watch ko lang mamaya. Naglalag talaga, ni-restart ko na yung phone ko. Amil, sige. Si Amil, mamaya na lang. Or replay mo na lang. Hi, sir. Good morning. If 200 USD po para makapag-copy trade, how much po pwede i-add sa nag-copy trade na? Any whatever amount. The minimum for adding for copy trade amount is, if ever nakakopya ka na sa akin ng 200, if you want to add more, the minimum is 100 and onwards is kahit magkano po. Right, Coach IRC from Hernan Lim. IRC from Hernan Lim. Uy, si Hernan Lim pala ito, si Bongkoy Lim. IRC, I'll write that down. IRC, I think we have time naman. Still 8:37. Feel ko ang dami ko na nasabi Right, so that's fast. Right, we've already covered my ano. But that's okay kasi medyo busy rin ako today. So the faster we finish, the better. Yan po. So let's go to your requests. SOC, SOC. Right. Ito si SOC nasa MA20 naglalaro Kaso nga lang, I'm not sure what caused this spike. I don't think this is substantiated naman na climb. So when that bubble bursted, if you want to test this out, right, you have a support right here. Just test and get it near the support as much as possible, right? I really can't recommend SOC. I don't know what the cause is sa spike. Baka ano lang, market lang naman not really the fundamentals. So mahirap para sa akin. I don't know the fundamentals of SOC, so that's why it's not in my recommendations. But technical analysis wise, this is a rounded bottom pattern. Let me remove this. For those who has the patterns, yes, this is a rounded bottom pattern. So far so good. This is a rounded bottom. Alright, and then eto yung breakout ng ano niya, ng pag-round niya, maakyat na siya. So yeah, this is a good entry point for SOC. You can test it out. If ever this fails, just cut your losses since maliit pa naman ang risk dyan. So that's why maganda rin naman ito for good find. Abeb Shabebs, good morning Sir Lloyd. Yes, GMA 7 and SPC po. I'll write these down. Mark Clarence Archangel, sir, what is your email address? Would like to inquire about sa copy trader in eToro. Thanks. Alright, so my email is this for those who wants to send me an email. It's lloydbazar.ff101. That's Financial Freedom 101. ff101 at gmail.com. I put it on the comments, lloydbazar.ff101 at gmail.com. Yan po. Alright, John Vincent Leto, sir, how about ISM? Good time na ba to add more? Uptrend na kayo ulit? Yeah, bullish naman ang pinapakita ni ISM. Look at ISM right now. We have 3 white soldiers. Yan po. So, this is a bullish pattern. I think, yes, this is a good area to buy. Right? Bodega lang. You don't have to go aggressive on buying there. Try to bodega as much as possible. Tipirin nyo po ng konti-konti. Hindi pa naman bullish ito Hindi pa naman siya nagsaspike talaga. So, yeah. This is bullish already. We are seeing good bottoms already. Good price action. Price action wise, nung bumaba siya, binili lang ng mga tao. Yan. So, sakit ang ulo sa mga nag-sell dyan. Anyways, yan. Just bodega lang. Good price action already. It's already bullish. So, yes, you can test buy ISM if you want to. GT Cup from Tommy Escobedo. Yes, nasa lista na yan. Sir, ano po tingin nyo kay AGI? Angie, talagang gamer, no? So, tingnan natin yan si Angie mamaya. So, let's go back. SOC is done. LSC, kamustahin natin si Lepanto. Lorenzo Shipping Corporation. After this spike, bumagsak si LSC. Downturn pa si LSE. So, konti ingat lang muna. It's very volatile right now. Very volatile because it's playing on on the Bollinger Band. So, downturn pa siya for now. Let's see what will happen. Maybe a good price action, a higher low will be a good position for LSE. Pag na-break niya yung downtrend niya. Yeah, so, yan. LSE, wag muna. Very volatile. You don't have to be aggressive in this market. Napakinipis po ng market. Web, good volume. Ito, maganda si Web. Good volume. Kaso nga, I cannot recommend it kasi napakalapit po natin sa resistance. A good setup for your trade will be a breakout from this ascending triangle. Pag nag-breakout yan, that's a good signal na bullish po si web, right? So pag nag-breakout yan, that will be the best entry point for web. Pwede na kayo mag-start magbodega habang mura pa po si web, right? This was what we were waiting for, the annual earnings, and we're getting good numbers from web, so good recovery from web. Asa na tayo? After web is IDC. Lapitan ko lang to, guys, ha. Hinaan ko lang boses ko. Masyadong hyped ako eh. Right, so IDC on breakout, we did recommend this. So nag-breakout naman si IDC. So yun. I recommended this 2 days ago eh. We're expecting a breakout on IDC. So IDC on breakout, nag-breakout po siya. Yes, the other day, hindi siya nag-breakout, so hindi po natuloy. And then now, it did a breakout. So that's a confirmation that this is already bullish. Not really bullish yet because we have ito lang kasi yung breakout niya. Dalawa yung breakout niya. Sa sideways resistance niya and the downtrend. So, somehow, it's giving us bullish signs. So, IDC, get me in near that support as much as possible for IDC. That's a good entry point. Right? Na-recommend natin yan noon. IDC, MPI. Ito si MPI, sustaining naman. So, go for MPI. It's time to bodega. That's a very solid support you're looking at for MPI. That's a good support for a good company. Dapat nga, binubuhusan nyo na yan ng pera kasi napakamura for a good company. Meg naman, yan. That's the reason why hindi ko nire-recommend si Meg doon sa taas kasi pag nag-drop yan, magta-take profits yung mga tao, guys. So, baka mamagsak. Kahit maganda annual earnings, nag-sell on news. Ito, si Meg, nag-sell on news and then bumagsak na. So, this is good for those who are sa mga nakaabang kay Meg. Right? This is a good opportunity. We know that MEG is gonna go up anytime soon. So let's let it drop. Let's see what will happen near this support area. So hopefully it will give us a position. But right now it's still very volatile. Magda-downtrend pa po yan. Tapos na yung uptrend ni MEG na bongga. Right? So antayin muna natin. Soon. Nare-recommend ko yan pag hinog na. Don't worry. CHIB naman, earnings-wise, medyo manipis yung earnings niya. But we are already seeing a divergence right here. Pababa yung presyo. But RSI is already going up. So, anytime soon, pwede na itong mahinog si CHIB. Very cheap already. So, hopefully, may ka-volume naman ang market. Kasi hindi gumagalaw ang mga stocks kasi walang volume. Wala pa si CHIB. ATN. Ito naman si ATN. It's forming this triangle. Diba? So this is a bearish pattern right here, but we are seeing good signs kasi pataas naman yung buying niya. So it's a mix of a downtrend and an uptrend. Hindi naman uptrend kasi lower highs eh. So yeah, this is a descending triangle. It's still bearish. So just keep buying the dips. Baka bumaba pa ito sa support. That will be the good entry point as of the moment kasi nasa gitna tayo ng support and resistance, or a breakout. That will be a very good sign for ATN. That will be a good entry point for ATN. Right now, hindi pa po siya hinog, so I will not recommending ATN as of the moment. Si ISM, pwede na po magbodega. Just test buy lang, right? JFC, wala pa. Abang lang. Malapit na yan, right? CPG. Ito si CPG, natapos na yung uptrend niya. So, medyo nagpahinga pa. But definitely, very good company. 72% annual earnings. The company's been recovering well. So, I'm expecting for the stock to be bullish pa rin. Right? Right now, hindi pa. So, we are still playing at the lower Bollinger Bands. Very volatile position right now. So, wag muna. Let's see what will happen if we reach a support here or here. Or moving forward dito, I can't really tell about CPG right now. Medyo volatile pa siya. NRDU 1927, what do you think about Bitcoin? Nag-breakout po siya sa body ng previous candles. Yes, Bitcoin is okay naman eh. You can diversify into it. It's a good it's a good avenue to diversify. I'm just not into Bitcoin right now. But yes, definitely, very good. Ang problema ko sa Bitcoin, it trades 24/7. So it's very volatile. So it's really unstable right now. But very cheap right now compared to sa levels na narating niya noon. Ang problema ko kay Bitcoin lang talaga is anyone can start their own cryptocurrency. Hindi lang po si Bitcoin ang crypto dyan sa labas. Ang dami pong cryptocurrency dyan sa labas. The problem with that is anyone can start their own and then gagawa sila ng crypto for the same purpose. So meaning, mafa-flood po yan ng competition. Yun yung problema kay Bitcoin, ang competition eh. Mas maganda sa stocks, mas stable ang stocks kasi although maraming companies, iba-iba naman ang mga ginagawa ng mga companies. Si crypto kasi, ang daming crypto and all for the same purpose. So, that's my problem with Bitcoin lang. That's why I'm not really into it. Ayun, so that's my 2 cents for Bitcoin. Ronaldo de Jesus, annyeonghaseyo, MWC po. That was from NRDU. But definitely, sa Bitcoin, guys, there's opportunity in it to trade. Right? Pwede nyo po i-trade yan. If marunong kayo mag-trade, napakaganda po i-trade sa Bitcoin. Kasi, good, very healthy volume. Wealth Gainer, good morning, Coach. Ask ko lang, hindi ba basta makakabay ng stock unless may ka-match? Hindi kasi ako nakapasok kahapon dahil unmatched daw. Maraming salamat. Yes po. Kasi kung bibilihin mo yan siya, for example, dito si CPG, the current price is at 495, di ba? If bibilihin mo siya at 495, what if walang gusto magbenta at 495? 4951 ang gusto nila ibenta, which is right here. So meaning, hindi kayo magka-match. 4951, 4951. So one click here is around this one. So let's see, next na buying is at 5103. I mean, next selling is at 5103. If you put it at 4950 and walang nagbenta dyan, hindi ka talaga makakabili kasi malulugi yung kabila eh. Gusto ko ibenta at 451.51. Gusto mo bili ng 495. Hindi tayo magka-match. So, hindi talaga matatrade yan. So, you have to look at the selling side also if you really want to buy. Right? Pwede ka mag-abang at 4,950 pero hindi mo alam kung may magbebenta at 4,950. What if wala? So, if walang magbenta at 4,950, wala ka mabibili. Right? That's for Wealth Gainer. Yan, so let's continue. Tapos na tayo kay CPG, right? Very volatile right now. I really can't recommend it yet. IRC naman, yan, nagpo-pullback na si IRC. Let's wait for the bonggang pullback and let's see if we can find a good position to buy for IRC. Nagpo-pullback pa po yan. Stay away lang muna. Maybe this is gonna be our resistance. Let's see what will happen in the future. Mahirap po itong pero napakamura niya as of the moment. So, kaso nga lang, very risky yung position na wala tayong base. So, stay away lang muna kay ERC. Malapit na yan. Anytime soon, baka mag-bounce. The bounce will be a very good entry point. We are already seeing higher highs. We're waiting for our higher low, right? Maybe at MA20. That will be our entry point because that will be our new support for IRC. But right now, wala pa po. B-Core. Yan si B-Core. Pataas. Hindi, si green pala yun. Si B-Core, bumaba after this drop sa support niya. We have it reached a buy signal sa RSI. So this was a good entry point. Let's see if this will sustain. Nagpo-pull back po siya. Let's see if we can get a green. Pag may green po yan, that this is an engulfing pattern. Pag may green dyan, that will be our entry point, right? That will be your support if you want to enter B-Core. But right now, wala pa. So, hopefully, mag-green yan today. Pag nag-green yan today, yeah, pwede nyo po i-testing yan si B-Core. Mura na po siya ngayon. B-Core, asa na tayo? FNI, eto, may question about FNI. FNI, let's see what will happen kay FNI dito sa support. But, somehow, big drop because of the earnings eh. So, ingat muna kay FNI. I don't think this is gonna get enough traction for it. Para si PIP rin ito because of the earnings, bumagsak din. PIP, I can't recommend it yet. Very volatile position as of the moment. So, ingat muna. Good morning, Sir Idol from Stage 3121. Nadaanin niyo po ba yung MPI? Yes, nadaanan sa MPI. Definitely, I recommended MPI yesterday. Just keep buying habang nasa support pa po siya for MPI. And next kay PIP is food. No, WPI. Si WPI naman, Oy, okay. So, nasa MA20, yeah, you can look for a position here. Alright, if mag-bounce in the MA20, that's a good sign. That's a higher low. Actually, that's a support already. Anytime soon, this should bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan, you can enter, pero hindi po guarantee ang bounce na aakyat yan, okay? Maganda lang itong pasukin pag nag-bounce because you have a support right here. Very low risk, right? Just in case it fails, just cut your losses, okay? So, WPI, definitely, very good setup. Just a bounce na lang ang inintay natin at hinug na yan. Si food naman, big drop yesterday. Okay naman yung annual earnings niya. I'm expecting food to recover anytime soon. Right now, wala pa. Right? Very volatile pa siya, so delikado pa. I don't want you to be aggressive. So, ingat lang muna. Next up is, okay, food, EEI. May request tayo kay EEI. Right, so EEI, yun, nasa MA20 naman tayo. At least maliit ang risk nyo. Konti lang ingat lang kasi we have a resistance at this area. Hopefully it breaks out. If you wanna go aggressive, this is a good entry point. At least maliit ang risk. You can enter the MA20. Make sure lang mag-cut loss kayo kasi pag baka mag-pullback yan ng bongga. Right? So, we don't really know where the stock is going, but the sentiments of EEI is definitely bullish. Nag-uptrend po yan, diba? So, it's still on an uptrend. This is a good entry point, MA20. Just make sure you use MA20 as your support if you want to enter AEI. I'm not recommending it since nasa taas na. Remember, I recommended EEI here and here sa pullbacks niya. And, ayun, ayoko nang i-recommend yan. Nasa taas na. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay EEI noon. Asa na tayo? EEI PLC. Right, PLC. Downtrend pa po si PLC. So, tapos na yung uptrend niya. So, we're seeing a downtrend. Right now, we're not seeing any signals to buy. Maganda lang yung earnings niya. So, hopefully, that will make the stock stable anytime soon. But we're still against a downtrend. So, konti ingat lang muna. Right, Mark Lawrence. Okay, I'll check my email later today. Medyo busy ako today. So, baka hindi ko baka hindi ko pa masagot yan, but definitely. Nga pala guys, if you have any queries about eToro also, this guy, Jeff Gu at eToro.com. He is the support for Philippines, right? Yun po yung trabaho niya. Sinisweldohan po siya to to answer queries for eToro. So, if ever I cannot answer you, you can CC Jeff Gu, right? Just baka siya mauna masagot sa inyo, right? Sig, ano po tingin niyo kay VUL? Binili ko siya nung bago pa ako. May chance pa ba tumaas? Thank you. I can't say if may chance pa tumaas si VUL. Hopefully there is. Maganda naman yung project niya. I don't know if matutuloy yung backdoor niya, kung magiging I forgot the company. Telco rin yun eh. Alright, so hopefully matuloy yun. If ever matuloy, then ayun, pwede pa yan si Vul. Pero ngayon, somehow bullish naman yung pinapakita niya, right? So there's a possible bullish pattern here. This is a flag pattern. So baka pwede. But I can't really say right now. Hopefully matuloy yung backdoor niya kasi itong climb na ito, yung rumor niya magiging telco siya. So pag natuloy yon, yes, definitely good for VUL. Right, so David Ong, good morning sir. What stock will rise during earthquake event? Thank you so much. What stock will rise during earthquake events? Natawa ako doon ha. Wala, hindi ko alam kung anong stock umaakyat pag nag-earthquake. Ayan, let's continue. Asa na ako? Sorry, FEN PLC yan, si FEN. Right, there's a question about FEN PHEN. Si STR, ganda ng climb yesterday. So far so good. Let's check out STR in a bit. Ito si FEN, may MA20 bounce naman tayo. Kaso nga lang, medyo mataas na for me. If you wanna test this out, I don't wanna recommend testing it out. Ang laki na negative niya eh. So, baka mag-stabilize pa soon. But if you wanna test it out, meron naman tayong MA20 dyan. If you test it out, at least dyan kayo sa MA20 para if you need to cut your losses, maliit lang ang losses ninyo. I can't recommend it right now. FEN, PLC FEN, AC, and AC, nag-fail pa eh, right? We're still at a volatile level. So, but we are reaching this level right here. This is the good part, right? So, hopefully, anytime soon. Medyo bearish pa si AC. So, iwas lang muna kay AC. Let's see. I-recommend ko naman yan pag nagkaroon tayo ng buy signal for AC. Right? So, for now, stay away lang muna. AC, next kay AC, GT cap. Ito may request for GT cap. Uy, ang ganda ng volume ng yesterday. Earnings-wise, -15. Pero ang ganda ng volume yesterday. Malaki yung volume. Hindi naman bumaba ang presyo. This might be good for GT cap, right, guys? Watch out for the bounce of our GT cap. Pag nag-bounce yan today, that should be good, right? You can test out that support. That will be a good confirmation of a support. That's a very good, this is a very good bounce. Volume for the sustain of GT cap. Tingnan nyo po ito, guys, on the bounce. I will recommend GT cap on the bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan today, that will be a good entry point, right? So GT cap is looking good. MB, we cannot, hindi lang natin alam talaga kung saan ito pupunta, but these are signals that you cannot ignore, right? So pwede po yan si GT cap, right? At least maliit ang risk if ever mali man tayo. Ganun lang naman talaga sa market, di ba? So MB, right? Metro Bank. Okay. Very good bounce for Metro Bank. Oh, not Metro Bank, MBT yung Metro Bank. Manila Bulletin, sorry. Absent-minded ako. Meron ako silang nabasa na message, very important. For Cebu, guys, for me, we're gonna have a seminar sponsored by eToro, so that's gonna be free, right? So if you're in Cebu, abangan niyo po yan sa May. Maglalabas ako ng information about that sometime soon. Yun yung nabasa ko ng message kaya na absent-minded ako. Metro Bank, no. Manila Bulletin. Sabi ko, bakit ganito yung itsura ng chart ni Metro Bank? Hindi naman ganito yung nasa support yung nasa baba. Si MB pala. Si Manila Bulletin. Alright, so we are reaching support levels. You can test MB anytime soon. Hopefully, pumitik yan. Just in case you're wrong, at least we're very near support. That's good trading. Alright, ganyan po mag-trade. How much po yung seminar, Sir Lloyd? If dito sa Cebu, libre lang po yun. But I think it's gonna be what do you call this? Passive income, right? It's a passive income seminar. It's gonna be a finance, what do you call this? Wealth management seminar. It's not really just for trading ang mangyayari. Most probably, it's gonna be a passive income seminar for those who wanna learn how to get rich. Yan po ang seminar natin for the next month. Jose Gonzalez, good morning, Sir Lloyd. How about Vita? Let's check that out. Sulat ko si Vita. Hopefully, we still have time. Okay pa naman. Ang bilis ko ngayon na. Still 9 o'clock. That's fast. Ayun nga, 9 o'clock. We only have ilang minutes na lang. But we're almost done. Right? MB is, we're done with MB. Geo. Ayun, si Geo, guys. May support naman si Geo. Right? I haven't checked the fundamentals lately of Geo. Ito yung pinaka mahirap kay Geo eh. Ang laki ng negative niya. Haven't checked what caused the negative yet. Haven't dissected the income yet. So, with that, I cannot recommend Geo kasi shaky yung fundamentals niya. But technical analysis, we are at support levels. Kaso lang walang volume. So, I think this might fail. The support might fail because of that. So, konti ingat lang muna kay Geo. MBT, ito na sa MBT. Alright, Metro Bank. Alright, so, still bearish signals for Metro Bank. We touched the lower Bollinger Band, so I guess we're still gonna go down. Let's see what will happen on the next support. But right now, stay away lang muna. Maganda naman earnings ni Metro Bank. 10%. So, excuse me. Yan. So, right now, wag muna. Very volatile pa sa Metro Bank. It's still on the heavy side sa downtrend. Ito si Ali, nag-all-time high during this spot. Let's wait for it to pull back before you wanna enter Ali. So, let's wait for a setup that we can enter. But right now, wala pa po. Right, this is the ascending triangle that we were talking about before. So, Ali, we recommended Ali here. Yan. So, there it is. Umakyat na. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok. Actually, ang dami ko ng beses ni-recommend to dito. Right, so, anyways, Ali, let's wait for the setup. Ulit, magbigay sa atin na setup. But right now, it's not giving us a position trader setup. So, stay away na tayo. Ganun lang yan, guys. If the stock is not giving you your setup, your entry point, then don't.
Huwag nyo pong pipilitin. Marami pa po ibang stocks dyan. If wala talaga kayo mahanap, then di huwag kayong pumasok. Ganun lang. Right? Hindi nyo kailangan kumita every day sa stock market, especially if you're a position trader. Right? Don't be greedy about the gains. Ali, IRC. IRC, we talked about IRC already. GMA7, ito may request for GMA7. After the dividends, medyo shaky pa sa GMA7. Annual earnings niya, negative 9%. So, that's one of the causes din sa pagmagsak niya. Right now, it's still very volatile. Let's see what will happen in the future. We cannot buy that yet as of the moment. Kasi, ang hirap pa niyan. Hindi pa natin alam saan papunta yan. Wala pa tayong signal. Anong gagawin niya. SPC, is it good to sell Ali na po ba? You can sell half Ali already, right? That's already very high. Though the stock is bullish, but you can always sell half. Sell half nyo po kasi hindi nyo po alam kung saan papunta yan. Baka bumagsak na, sayang naman yung gains nyo. If ever the gains you have is already enough, kung dun kayo pumasok sa baba, right? That's a very good climb already. SPC, right? So SPC, after the income, bumagsak, pero nag-recover naman kaagad. I can't tell as of the moment. Very hard. We don't have a solid base right now. Maybe this is a good support right here. Who knows? I can't really tell. Gusto ko pa ng further data. You can test buy already. Pwede nyo pong gamitin support yan. But I can't recommend that right now. Sir Lloyd, may impact po ba sa market yung earthquake kahapon sa Manila? Wala naman po. J. Ross, don't worry. Wala naman. It will have an impact if ever na-cripple ang Manila. But wala naman. It's just an earthquake. Wala namang nasira or anything talaga na may impact. So, if devastation talaga, magda-drop yan. But wala naman eh. SPC, AGI. AGI, we have a query for AGI. We have an engulfing pattern right now. Let's see if we can get a bounce anytime soon. A bounce will be a good entry point for AGI. So we can test, at least maliit ang risk natin if ever mag-bounce. So right now, wala pang signal. Abangan ko po yan si AGI. Next kay AGI, MWC. And MWC, so far so good. Get in near the support as much as you can. Sir, CFB, sir, umangat naman kagabi. Yes, o nga, CFB, yung ano natin, yung trade natin for Facebook, umangat kagabi. So, we are gaining in Facebook already. So, congratulations sa mga nag-copy trade sa akin. And congratulations sa mga nag-trade kay FB. I recommended FB when I entered it also sa Facebook. And we're invested in Facebook. So far so good. Bullish naman ang market. So, very definitely. Congratulations sa mga pumasok and nag-copy trade sa akin. Asa na tayo? MWC, Vita. Ito, may request about Vita. Right, so si Vita, wala pa. Very volatile on the heavy side pa. So, stay away lang muna. SMPH, meron ba SMPH? May request for SMPH. Breakout will be best for SMPH. Pag nag-breakout, pwede nyo pong pasukin. Si Ali, mataas pa po. PBC, PBCom, bibilhin daw to ni ano eh. Hindi pala si PBCom. Uy, maganda spike ka. Right. Yeah, PBC. I think this is gonna go. Hindi ko napansin to guys Right, PBC. Let's see how much our risk is. Yeah, low risk position pa naman si PBC. Guys, PBC, tingnan niyo po si PBC. Maganda spike, ganda na earnings. This might make the stock climb up. Right, so PBCom. Right, if I want to add PBCom, can I add PBCom on my official list? PBCom. Yan, pwede po yun sa PBCom. Good find, very good find, Ruben Alcoriza. APX, dadaanan na ba natin si APX? Alright, si APX, hard to tell, right? RSI is not giving us any signals. Downtrend though, most probably tapos na ang downtrend niya. This is the last downtrend. Downtrend pa rin sa APX. So, let's see. Mamaya na lang pag may nakita tayo na stop na yung downtrend niya sa APX. For now, wala pa. Josh, sa eToro pwede bang debit card? Ang withdrawal pwede din ba sa debit account ko din mapupunta? Yes, tama yan Josh. Pwede debit card and dyan po mapupunta yung withdrawal. Zinaida, Karunungan, okay na po ba mag-sell SMC? Yes, I would say pwede na po i-sell si SMC. Sell half if you want to. Sir Wilcon and Poopy, Wilcon masyado mataas na kahit nag-all-time high yan. Don't worry, okay may inggit sa angat ng angat ni Wilcon. Mataas na po masyado yan. Just always wait for a pullback. Si Poopy naman, we're nearing the support. Let's see what will happen. I'm not seeing any buy signal yet, so that's why we're not I'm not recommending it yet. Wilcon, masyado mataas pa po yan. Like this setup right here sa MA20, antayin po natin ulit yan mag-pullback sa MA20 if you want to enter it. MA20 bounce, MA20 bounce, MA20 bounces. Those are the best entry points. So antayin nyo po dyan. Right? Wag po dyan sa taas kasi masyado mataas yan. Right, if you really wanna ride Wilcon's uptrend, right? So, okay naman, so far so good. Maganda pa rin yung uptrend ni Wilcon, right? So, last merong question si IC, si Maxes. Si Maxes, after the strong climb, ayan, nagpo-pullback pa. Let's see what will happen sa MA20. So, right now, wala pa. So, wala muna. Right, so, I guess that's it for today. Again guys, there's a way for you to earn in the stock market, international stock market without doing anything. I can do the trades for you kasi meron akong mga natatanggap na inquiry dati if nag-handle ba ako ng mga accounts. This way, sa eToro copy trading, I can handle as many accounts as I want. All you need to do is copy my trades. Right? Ako na po bahala sa trades. Whatever I do on my port, you will be earning also. Right? Your port will be following that. Right? Whatever I earn in the future, you will earn that also. Also, whatever I lose in the future, you're gonna lose that too. But as much as possible, I want to be responsible in my trades here. I don't want you guys to lose. I don't want to lose, diba? So yan. So just copy trade. Create an eToro account using my link. Seminar this Saturday and Sunday. If you want to learn how I do my trades, I'll teach it to you systemically, step by step. Send me a message if you want to join that. That's it for today. Ayan, sa market, still sideways. Wala pa rin yung volume. Pero medyo maganda naman yung foreign buying yesterday. So far, I think it's still gonna go sideways. Antayin pa natin ito after the election. The results will come up. Let's see. The market should pick up after that. So, medyo boring ang market. Right, that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Oh